All right, guys, we got a beast of a truck. 2000 Ram 1500 V8, 5.9 liter Haas. Woo. Lifted, really nice truck. It was the glory days back in the day, but it's still a clean truck. Lifted, got big wheels on it. Let me show you what we've done on it, guys. So it's got a massive converter right there. It wides into a single there. And then got a massive converter there. Then 3-inch pipe. It was all rotted out, so we cut it off and put them in a new piece of pipe. FLOWMASTER Super 10, dualed it out the back, 2 1/4 on each side, into some sexy 5-inch roll tips by 18. The FLOWMASTER right there, the Super 10, here's the part number on it, 8430152. For this FLOWMASTER Super 10, and duals out the back on each side into some sexy 5-inch by 18 roll tips there and there to complete the look. Check it out, guys. Came out really clean, really nice. And as you guys can see, it was all rotted out. We cut it all off and ran new for them. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Here we go. Dodge Ram 4x4 when it was called Dodge. Oh, that's perfect. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your sound decibels. Right at 105. That's clean. Oh yeah, they needed that. They needed it. They're competing with me, guys. They're competing with me. Old but gold, bro. Ram 1500. 4x4. Awesome. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
FLOWMASTER Super 10 duals, 5-inch stainless rolled tips.